Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. So today we're going to talk about winter maintenance on units. This applies to all colors and all shapes of machines. So once you have that unit blown off, or if you go that extra step of washing it, once it's washed off and you allow it to dry, and you've gone and you've made your parts list of things that you need for next year so that you do it while it's fresh in your mind. The last thing that is a really good thing to do is, on a warmer day, go and give that unit a grease on everything that's greasable. Chains, you could spray them with some chain lube. I personally don't like chain lube in the field, but for winter storage, especially if it's outside, you could spray it with some chain lube. I prefer to leave them dry. But last thing, take that machine and start it up. Let it run for 15 to 30 seconds, like the baler behind me here. Basically just long enough that every bearing gets to go around about 3 or 4 times. And what happens is it's going to pick up the grease that's in the bottom of the bearing. When bearings run, the grease gets warm and it runs down to the bottom, and then you shut it off and the top part of the bearing actually isn't lubed. So if you can run it when it's cold and just for a short amount of time, let it spin that machine for 30 seconds, maybe a minute, shut it off, and it will have lubed up the whole bearing inside so that you don't have half of the bearing rusting and the other half, sitting in nice grease. It will just extend the life of your machines a lot longer if you do things like that. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.